have a very cool accessories. Kasih lihat gak ya? I really love the glasses. Megani, thank you. Okay, with the glasses, right? With the glasses, I have a post that I really like. It's really funny. Now I can be more we'll see. So if you guys ask me about something, we'll see. Screenshot, wink. 좋다. Now you can make a lot of meme, okay? And then we'll see.
Am I not allowed to show it? Give me 1 second. I'm not allowed to show it then. Hello. Okay. If the stream ends before I reveal my outfit, then I guess can't be helped, you know? Hoda! Can you see it now? You thought I wasn't gonna reveal it. It's alright, I got it under control. It's a gun. I have a gun. Okay. Now, we only have 10 minutes left. Gotta hurry. Okay, let's reveal the hair and the face. Ready? Do I keep the gun or not? Alright, there you go. I'll put the gun away. Hi. Kalau 17-an kita ngapain guys biasanya? Kalau pacaran ngapain? Salute! And then, if I wanna think, look. I'm thinking. Time to think. I actually don't think so. I don't know why I got this pose. Okay, the silhouette. Don't worry. So I saved the best for the last. Tanang. This one as well. Udah berapa guys? Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9! That means I have 9 flower. Okay. Aku sudah bersiap-siap melatih suatu untuk 17-an besok, yaitu hormat. Prak. Apaan tuh? Weh, pada ketik O7. Wah. Oh, I can see you guys here. Wah. No, I have a flute, a recorder. I mean, not a flute. Let me play a little for you guys, okay? Thank you. Bisa terbang ya. Now I can fly now with Mommy Kiwawa and Nori-chan using these wings. Wee! Wee! Thank you.